Okay, it's almost 4 in the morning, and I wanted to show you. Here's what they look like. They're all white. Check that out. They're all white when they come out. Here's another one. They're all white. There's just thousands of them. So look at them all. There's one that's, see how white they are when they come out? As compared to normal one? They just come out of that shell. They're all white. But look at them all. I mean, there's just thousands of them here. And when the chickens come out, see how white they are? It's just amazing. When the chickens come out, they just go crazy on it. They're all over the tree, all over everything. See this? Look at this. There is just thousands of them. They're just everywhere, all around the fence. And they're going to be like that on the tree too. I don't know if you can see it on the tree or not, but they're everywhere on that tree. On the fence. It's amazing. Truly amazing. Well, the chickens are going to eat good tonight. Or this morning, I should say. There's a couple, they even crawled up this little tiny tree branch. And they're just hanging there. They are everywhere. Look at them on that tree. Okay. Now when you see this, make sure you show the little boys, especially Charlie. He'll get a kick out of this. They're just everywhere. Okay, I'm going to go in and read my Bible now. I think there's a lot here. Oh my Lord, look at that. They're even in this little tiny tree. See? Just come out of that shell. Whew. They are creepy looking. Okay, I'm going to go read my Bible. I'll send this to you. Bye.